Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use Snapchat Discover feature. So basically, you just have to open the Snapchat application and then you have to be on this fourth icon that is look like two people, and basically here you can see everything that's happening in the world. At the top, you can add your friends or suggestions. Right at the bottom, you can see people who you are following. You can see their stories, and if you scroll down, you want to see the discovery feature. Basically is the content from publishers and snap from creators in the community, of course personalized to you. If you want to view a story and discover, just tap on it, and if you want to scroll to the right, just click on the right side of the screen to go right or left to go back. If you want to exit, just pull from top to the bottom, and that's basically it. That's how you use discover feature, and it basically goes on endlessly. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.